Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. I hope all of you are doing good. So last video I will show you beautiful room decoration, kitchen decoration, bedroom decoration. So let's start. You can see the first picture. It is beautiful, and you can see the other picture. It is also beautiful in black color wall. In black color wall and the flowers. You can see the bouquet, you can see there, and you can see the bed and down for studying using laptop, doing live streaming on YouTube, on other somewhere. So it's okay, good. And you can see this one, the blue color wall and the mirror, and the mirror also is beautiful. And you can see the lamp is also beautiful, and the wall is also beautiful. The window, you can see it's also beautiful. So you can, in the next picture you can see the cat is also beautiful cat, very sweet cat. And you can see the wood color theme, white color theme up in the, it was wood. And you can see the lamp and the black color wall you can see, and the two lamps you can see, and you can see the black color wall, blue or black, I don't know, but it is okay. It's looking beautiful, also very beautiful. And you can see this one, the up roof is like going to space. It is like this. It is very beautiful. You can slide and come from the up. It is also beautiful. And you can see the this pink color for girls favorite color. It is also beautiful. And you can see this one, the black color and the white color clock you can see, and it's also beautiful. The ever picture I like from the old picture, it's this one. There you can see the bottle lamps and the big hole, and it is also beautiful because you can see outside also. And some also for good, you can see the chair and the down floor. It is also beautiful, down floor and the walls. This also you can see the wall and the bed, and down floor is of wood maybe, yeah. And it is, you can see the lamp it is. And you can see the someone decorate the room. It is the singer's photo. In this place you can keep your shoes, you can keep your any shoes, how much shoes you can keep, 1 2 3 floors are there. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the purple color wall and the up white theme. And you can see this one maybe for wedding. You can see the rose, the pictures, the bed. The room is small but okay. You can see there this means currents, this lines, the lights. This is also wedding room. You can see the lights, LED, very beautiful, and thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Hope you all good.